Alright, today we'll begin today's lesson with some dynamic stretches. Let's begin with a light jog at your own pace. And now butt kicks. You're going to bring the heel of your sneaker to your hamstring area. Again, going at your own pace to avoid injury. Now, arms extended, giving yourself a target. High knees, get those knees high above the waist. Now let's go karaoke. Full body workout, getting the arms incorporated. Same thing coming back to work the other side with karaoke. Now slow things down a little bit and we're going to go Frankensteins, kicking those legs up nice and high. And the same thing back. Finishing with knee hugs, bringing the knees with both hands tight into your chest, alternating after a few steps. Pickleball Lesson 1, The Introduction. Pickleball is a fun, fast-paced sport that combines elements of tennis, badminton, and table tennis. Pickleball is played either as a doubles or singles game. The same rules apply for both singles and doubles. The game is played on a badminton court with a baseball-sized wiffle ball. It is hit with a solid, smooth paddle, either after one bounce or in the air during a volley. The object of the sport is to hit the ball over the net, which is approximately 3 feet high, to the opponent, in such a way that it cannot be returned successfully. Court dimensions include the sideline, the baseline, the service center line, and the non-volley zone. A player cannot hit the ball if he or she is inside the non-volley zone unless the ball bounces first. The two-bounce rule. When the ball is served, the receiving team must let the ball bounce before returning, and then the serving team must let the ball bounce before returning. Thus, two bounces. A volley is a shot hit in the air before the ball bounces. It is used as a return of a ball that travels with force, usually close to the top of the net. It is executed from a position just behind the non-volley zone, and it can be offensive or defensive in nature. All right, we're going to finish off today's lesson with some static stretches, starting with butterfly stretch. Heels together. And right leg out, left foot in. Extend both arms to your right foot. Then we're going to go opposite, left foot. Try not to pull back on your toes. Just extend your hands as far as you physically can go. You want to hold these stretches for about 20 to 30 seconds. Feet together, extend out to your ankles or as far as you can go. If you can go beyond your sneaker, perfect. Open up and we're going to extend hands flat on the ground. You're going to bring your right foot over your left. Both arms outside the right leg, back stretch. And switch. Right arm across your chest, hold tight at the elbow. Switch. Right elbow above, Hold tight at the elbow. Switch. In closing, if you choose to try today's lesson at home, please make sure that you have enough space to do so for safety. Only attempt the skills described in this video if a parent or guardian is present in the case of an emergency. Try to avoid crowded gyms or parks in an effort to adhere to COVID-19 guidelines. Remember, attempting the skills in this video is not a requirement, but please complete and submit the questions attached to this video to check for understanding.